Hello guys, my name's of Oyet Isaac. Welcome to my YouTube channel. We are going to discuss about certain applications that we use on social media, most especially YouTube. We are going to talk about how to create a YouTube account, how to create a Gmail account, how to use Google Maps, and also how to create a YouTube account. We are going to have a lot of fun together. As time goes on, we shall be learning how to use other applications and furthermore. So as for now, we are going to learn about those 4 applications that I've mentioned above. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching me. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Please subscribe so that just in case I upload new videos, you can get notified immediately. Thank you so much.